Hello everyone, we will learn here how to add my computer or this PC icon to desktop on Windows 8 or Windows 10. We are using here Windows 10. Right click on desktop and click personalize. Now we can see on the right side an option that is show desktop icons. If you click this, it will show you the Google search result on how to do this, but we already know this, so we are not going to click it. Let's go back. So sorry, go back. We have to click on the left side menu, it's themes. Click on themes, then come to the right side. Here click on desktop icon settings. Now we can see a list of all available desktop icon settings. Please check the my computer icon is missing at the PC right now. Now we are adding check mark. Okay, then apply. I am also adding another network. Just after clicking the apply button, we can see on the bottom the two icon has been added. Just let's organize it. Okay, that's great. Now you can easily add this. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you. Please click the subscribe button below.